How to remove and refit the bin on your Dyson V6 vacuum cleaner. This is going to help you whether you want to clean it, remove a blockage, or if you've already got the bin off and you just can't get it back on. To remove the bin, press down on this red catch and that's going to make the flap open. So if your bin is full, make sure you're over a waste bin. Then press the red tab down again and then this pulls the bin away from the main body and you can then just pull the bin off. Now if you're wanting to clean your bin, I've got just the thing for you in a second, but firstly, how do we refit the bin? The key is this little part here that sticks out on the cyclone. That fits inside the cutout inside the bin. So you need to put those together first, and then once they're together, just lift and push up the bin and it will click into position. Then you can close the flap and away you go. As I've just mentioned, if you want to clean your bin, please see my next video here. It shows you how to get your bin from cloudy to clear in no time at all. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face. That way, if you need a help video in future, I'm really easy to find.